Greetings, Oracle Database fans. This is Justin, and in this Oracle Database YouTube video tutorial, I am going to show you how to disable user password case sensitivity. Now, by default, user passwords are case sensitive in an Oracle database, and I'm going to show you that here. So let's first, on our Windows 7 desktop, let's set the Oracle SID variable to finance, which is the name of our database, and let's connect to the finance database via the SQL Plus program, SQL Plus / /sysdba. Now, we do a show user at the SQL prompt, and we see we're connected as the sys user. We type in select name from the $ database. Select name from the $ database. We will see we're connected to the finance database. Now, the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to create a user called Bill. And we create the database user by entering the following. Create user Bill identified by Bill123. So this command is saying create the database user Bill and assign the password Bill123 to this user account. User created. Now we're going to grant Bill a system privilege which will allow Bill to log on to the database, to connect to it. And that privilege is called create session. It's a system privilege. And we give users privileges by the command grant. So we type in grant, the name of the privilege, which in this case is create session to Bill. Okay? So grant system privilege create session to user Bill. Grant succeeded. So now Bill should be able to connect to the database. Now, let's go ahead and let's switch from user sys to user Bill. So if we type in a show user, we'll see we're currently connected to the database as user sys. Now let's connect Bill / there's many ways to switch users and log on to an Oracle database. I'm doing it this way so you can see the password I'm typing in. So let's do connect user Bill / then you type in the password, Bill123, like so. Okay, so we're going to connect to the account Bill using the password Bill123 to authenticate. We get another connected message. We do a show user, and we see we're now connected as user Bill. User is Bill. Okay, let's disconnect. Okay, let's connect to sysdba. This right here will show us sys. And now let's issue that same command again, connect to Bill. But this time, let's change the password from lowercase Bill123 to uppercase Bill123. And it will say invalid username password logon denied. You are no longer connected to Oracle. Okay, so we saw up here that we gave Bill the password lowercase Bill123, and we connected to the account Bill using the password lowercase Bill123, and we succeeded. We connected to the database just fine. We verified that by typing in show user Bill. Okay. However, when we try to log in with the right username and password, but the password, the only difference is the password in this password attempt, the string Bill is all uppercase. When we do that, we get the ORA message ORA01017 invalid username password logon denied. Your warning, you're no longer connected to Oracle. Okay, Oracle kicked you out. All right, because it takes the password literally by default. So an uppercase password is not the same as a lowercase password as far as Oracle is concerned. Okay, now, or starting in Oracle Database 11.2, I believe, a parameter was added to turn this off, okay, to change this behavior. And that parameter, show parameter, is SEC case sensitive logon. Okay? And we see that sec underscore case underscore sensitive underscore logon parameter is set to true. which means that it's case sensitive. So lowercase bill 123 is not the same thing as uppercase bill 123, and vice versa. To change this, we type in the following: alter system set SEC case sensitive log on equals false. Okay? So now we do a show parameter sec underscore case underscore sensitive underscore log on. We see that the value is now false as opposed to true because we changed it with the alter system command, set command. All right. So now case sensitivity is not a problem. So now if I do a connect bill uppercase bill 123, I get connected as Bill. Notice how I connected as user Bill and I used the password uppercase Bill, then 123. It's uppercase, and it succeeded this time when it failed up here. Why? Because we set this parameter to false, so it's no longer case sensitive. Okay? And of course, the Bill 123 lowercase still works as well as the uppercase up here. Okay? Now let's say that we were to getting lazy here. We called a command and change it from false to true again. Okay, which is the default. Show parameter. So we did an alter system set sec underscore case underscore sensitive underscore log on equals true. And now when we did our show parameter on that parameter sec underscore case underscore sensitive underscore log on, we see that we changed it from false to true. Okay, so now when I do connect bill capital bill 123, I'm going to get invalid username or password. Okay, but notice when this parameter was set, it did work. Was set to false, capital bill 123 worked, but it's not working anymore because we made that parameter true again. So case sensitivity is now in effect. Okay. However, if I log on with just bill 123 lowercase, the connection succeeds because I'm using lowercase bill 123. So when the sec underscore case underscore sensitive underscore log on Oracle parameter is set to true, which is the default, the passwords are case sensitive, meaning that lowercase bill 123 is not the same as uppercase bill 123. However, when this parameter is set to false, which is not the default, you turn off case sensitivity for the passwords, which mean that capital bill 123 is the same as lowercase bill 123. Okay, that's how you work with case sensitivity with passwords in an Oracle database.